Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add close friends on Instagram. So first of all, go to your profile, then go to settings, then tap on the account menu, and here you will find close friends. As you can see, just tap on the close friends, and with this section you can add to your close friends list any people or profiles from Instagram. So as it says, you may not always want to share with everyone who follows you. You can create a list of close friends and choose to share your story with only them. So I think it's a very helpful and useful feature on Instagram to limit the amount of people that see your stories. So if you want to use them, now you know how to do it. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one.